Good day everyone. So the plan for today, because it's a nice day, is to replace the cabin air filter for this 2006 Nissan Bluebird. This is a Japanese import car here in New Zealand. Most other countries in the northern hemisphere, this model is also called Nissan Almera, especially in US, Russia, and some other European countries. But it's all the same. The model is KG11 something. So they all use the same parts. Generally, Nissan uses the same engine and the CVT transmission. They've got different models, but basically the transmission stays the same, and they do change a little bit the interior, but the electronics and all other stuff generally stays the same. So without further ado, let's get into it. So what I have done so far, so this is the replacement one I bought, which was about $40 online. I haven't done this before, so it's the first time I'm doing it. I pulled the panel, which was plastic guard, which was around here. I found a lot of leaves in here. So also I've noticed some of the screws are missing. So I guess someone had to go before I got this car, probably in Japan or something. They must have done some work, but yeah, since I've got this, I haven't touched the cabin air filter. It's already done 160 something thousand Ks, so it's pretty sure it's almost gone, time for it to be changed. What I've realized is I have to probably take this off. So if we go closer, the cabin air filter is here. It's down here, right at the back near the firewall, but it's not a direct like you can pull it out. There must be a screw or something holding on the top, and to access that I'll probably have to take the glove box out. So see, I've got one screw here which is not fully tied, the other one is tied. There's one missing here, and looking at the bottom was the same story. So someone's done something in the previous time. Well, let's get into it. Just find a place to hold the camera. So basically all the screws are same Phillips screwdriver, so might as well just use that. There was one at the bottom here. Take this light out, pull the whole thing out, put it over there. So looking at this, it's there, but it's sort of like, I think this is some sort of a guard or something holding it. So if I take that out, readjust the camera. How many screws go? Oh, this one at the back. This is gonna be fun putting it back together. Easy to undo stuff, but it's really sometimes hard to put it back. One screw there, one screw there. Pull it out. That must be the notch probably just holding it in place on the top end. Should pull out straight away. Oh, it did. Okay. You can see it's pretty dirty. Oh, let me see. Why is it not coming back? I knew it's gonna be a problem because when I look at the new filter, see these ribs are all here, but it's got like an extension bit, and these are always get caught. Hopefully the new one just slides in. So you can see it's quite dirty. It's been there probably since the factory. Nobody probably wouldn't have changed it. Here's the new one. It's not gonna be as high quality as the factory one, but it should do the job. So hopefully it just slides in. Gonna fit. Sure. There we go. Oh, that's locked in. Okay, there was. Is it? Let's back it back on. Always good to have a magnetic screwdriver, especially working in corners like this. Really helps. As you can see, the Japanese import it had the Bluetooth works, and it had a DVD system as well, but it's locked. It had a DVD navigation, sorry, but it was in Japanese maps loaded in. So what most time for us in New Zealand do when cars like this come as Japanese import, the map is loaded in this DVD disc, so they throw the disc away. There's no point, it won't work here. And the radio system is also like different frequency, so you can add a band expander, which I did with Boost, which gives you another 14 megahertz extension, so you can get the catch the frequencies here. You can as well as roaming around here. So I had a car under seat subwoofer installed in this. I did it myself, and because it's a factory stereo, it didn't have any RC output for the subwoofer, so I had to find a wire which when the radio turns on as well, which provides a signal for the 10 to amp for the subwoofer to turn on. But I've disconnected that, don't use it anymore because this guy's only used by mom for work. So yeah, let's put everything back together. See how it goes. I'll strip the camera back. Turn the blow on, see how it works. So this is a factory stereo. It's got navigation but doesn't work. But even the screen here is in Japanese. So over years I've used Google Translate to find out what these mean. So that's average fuel like consumption or something, 10.5 kilometers per liter. Gets better when you drive on the highway. Depends, if you go for a long drive you might hit, I've done 16 kilometers per liter, but over time it's probably gonna be around 13 to 15 kilometers per liter if I do a lot of highway driving. But because we do a lot of short run, that's why it's not that bad, not that good. And this is distance to empty, 308 k's. But that will change. I've got full tank of gas. If I do a lot of highway driving, that might increase to, normally I can get about 600 k's out of this car in a tank if I do long distance driving. Alright, so decent amount of air coming out. Yeah, so that's how you change the cabin air filter for Nissan Bluebird Sylphy or Nissan Almera. These are from 2005 to 2012 models. Basically everything's same. Well, that's up for this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.